Secret Netflix codes that bring up hidden movies.
No, there is no way this works. We're gonna put this to the test. Okay, we're gonna put this to the test. I'm gonna see if this works. Because I don't believe it does. I'm gonna put on some of the codes and we're gonna see if this works. 7424 is for animes. Do you see this? Do you see this? Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. My Hero Academia have One Piece. We have whatever that one is. Naruto. Even the live action One Piece, obviously. Castlevania. If you haven't seen this, this is absolutely incredible. You should watch it. This is crazy. This is great. Can't believe these codes work. Maybe this was luck. I want to double check this actually works. Okay, the code is 48744 for war movies. Look the amount of war films. I can't believe this actually worked. I'm gonna leave a few more codes here for you to try, and don't forget to follow for more videos.